Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for April 24th, 2018. For your Tuesday, we're going to have an increase in clouds if you're not already cloudy in the morning where you are. And any morning sun will go behind those increasing clouds, and then showers are going to work in from southwest to northeast today. So we're going to have this system right here, very large by broad area of low pressure that's bringing this in. It's going to move in from southwest to northeast this rain today, and it's going to be taking place during the afternoon hours. So it's going to start early in the afternoon for areas in the southwest, kind of mid-afternoon in the central areas, and then late afternoon, maybe even early evening, far northeast. And then as this progresses northward. So we're going to take this up a little bit further, just show you what this is doing. This is looking at Tuesday evening, or Tuesday afternoon. Here's the evening. You can see the showers working their way off northeast. Now, this isn't especially heavy initially. There will be some heavier bands of rain that come in overnight, but this is still not going to be a heavy rainfall. Where most areas we're looking at seeing between a half inch and 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. So this just continues to move off to the north, and the low pressure associated with this very weak. You can see this over northern Virginia here at this point, and it's going to track over the Delmarva, right over top of the region, over maybe southeastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, later on Wednesday. So this is going to go through mainly just the morning on Wednesday, and then we're going to have some tapering off the showers. Probably be a long lull period before another round of showers will move in Wednesday evening for some areas. Just a quick round of showers, though, looks like here on Wednesday evening. Let's get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to start this off at 11 a.m. You can see the concentration of the showers off to the southwest here at this point. Everywhere else is just cloudy and dry. As we continue forward, you can see this compressing off to the northeast and very slowly. Here's 2 p.m. starting to get into our central locations at this point, but this is still light rain. This is not really heavy. And then we get into here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, here's 6. Now we can start once we get to 7 p.m. Once we hit the evening, you can see this area right here. It's a little bit darker than everything around it. Some yellows mixed in there too. That's indicating a little bit steadier and moderate rainfall. Not really heavy, but it will definitely be steadier rain versus just shower activity, which is going to be going up in these areas here ahead of it. So those showers are going to move in from southwest to northeast, like we said. Here's 8 p.m., 9, 10, 11. This is going to all the way past midnight into the wee hours of the morning. Here's 2 a.m. Here's 5 a.m. You're going to have some maybe some burst of rain here at the end as we get in through the morning hours, 6, 7, 8. You can see that moving off to the north. But there's 11. Maybe just a few residual showers left behind. Then you're going to go through this lull during the afternoon, I think. And then we're going to get into the evening hours with just a few spotty showers popping up. This is 8 o'clock on Wednesday now. And then finally, by the time we get to late evening, this is pulling away and it's out of here. We start clearing out overnight Wednesday night as the system finally pulls away. And while it's cloudy and the showers are around, you're going to have cooler temperatures. So I know we were so warm yesterday. We're going to be taking a step back to within a few degrees to 60 degrees, depending on where you're at in our coverage area, and then maybe a step back even further into the upper 50s in some spots here in the usual colder spots both today and tomorrow. So we'll see how that works out, but it's not going to be too terribly chilly with this system, but with the clouds and showers, you're just going to keep temperatures in check. This system is going to push off to the north and remain there. We're going to have a partly cloudy day expected here on Thursday. And same thing here on Friday. No precipitation expected either day. You can see a system moving off to our southeast very weak. Here comes a cold front that's going to come through. That's going to come through on Friday night or Friday night overnight. And you can see it right here. It might bring a passing shower early Saturday morning, very early, late Saturday, Friday night, or early Saturday morning. Otherwise, we're going to become partly cloudy here on Saturday as well. And then we're going to head to mostly sunny skies on Sunday. That's because high pressure behind it is going to move in. We're going to keep temperatures relatively, we'll call slightly below average this week. I think most of the days this week, especially today and tomorrow with the clouds and showers, will be slightly below average. Thursday still slightly below average, even though we're turning to partly cloudy. Friday is going to get back to near average, so we're going to get into the upper 60s again. And then over the weekend, it looks like it's going to be slightly below average, maybe lower 60s for highs, 60, 62-ish, something like that. But then we head into next week, and it looks like we're going to get into a substantial warm-up, and I mean really substantial. We could be get back in the 80s again by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for April 24th, 2018. Have a great Tuesday.